155 years ago, when Australia was still finding its feet, a steam locomotive rolled out of our sheds in Maryborough, Queensland. It didn't just mark the start of a journey for Downer rail and transit systems. It helped change the way this country moved forever. And today, that journey continues. We design, build and maintain the trains that keep Australia moving. From delivering new fleets to upgrading those already on the tracks, we create whole-of-life solutions for passenger and freight operators across the country. Through deep local knowledge and global partnerships, we've built more than 3,000 rail cars, kept another 2,000 running at their best, and extended the life of 3,000 more. This unmatched experience gives us a deep understanding of our customers' challenges, allowing us to turn insight into practical engineering solutions that deliver reliability, safety and performance. Take Sydney's Waratah Trains, for example, Australia's largest passenger fleet, playing a critical role in servicing the country's busiest network. Building on that experience, our second-generation trains set a new benchmark in delivery efficiency and performance, demonstrating our ability to evolve and improve with each fleet. We're moving rail forward with faster delivery, smarter maintenance and greener freight. But we're not stopping there. Our expertise now extends beyond trains into digital systems, future transport infrastructure and decarbonisation. As the world shifts to cleaner, greener solutions, Downer is leading the way to support the decarbonisation of the rail industry, pioneering battery electric locomotive technology, a breakthrough that will help operators cut emissions as Australia moves to a low-carbon future. Few can match our capability across design, delivery and long-term support, nor the 155 years of trust we've built with operators across Australia. From that first steam locomotive to the next frontier in public transport, Downer Rail and Transit Systems is keeping Australia on track.